On Monday, I hope Jay Powell's busy because we're going to hear from Tyson Foods, the meat company that's at the epicenter of our current food shortage. Now, I don't expect to find out why my wife couldn't get bacon on her bacon cheeseburger last week, but I do expect to hear about the herds and how much they cost to maintain versus kill. Next, are people still gaming with the fervor that we saw earlier in the pandemic? We talk about this every minute of the day, even with AT&T. Well, we'll find out when Take-Two Interactive reports after the close, because Strauss Zelnick is the straightest of straight shooters. And if demand's weaker, he's just going to say it. We'll also find out about how shopping's going on at the mall. This is a really easy, good conference call. It's from Simon Property Group. They do it the best. They tell the truth. 7 pages. You can get through it. Tuesday's a curious ad mixture. We have a bunch of healthcare stories at once. There's Centene, the health insurance specialty that specializes in government-sponsored programs. I think it's take over Target. I still think it can go higher. And same goes, well, yeah, we're going to figure out what Pfizer's going to do. It's going to be fantastic, but, well, I don't think anyone's going to really buy it off the quarter. Now, the one I care the most about on Tuesday is Chipotle, because I think it could do low double-digit same-store sales versus last year's already excellent numbers, and that should cause the stock to ignite. Raw costs are always a problem in the business, though, but I think that it's going to be respectable. I worry about raw costs at DuPont, too. The great industrials have had a real up-and-down time in this market, and I fear this could be DuPont's downtime, which is why we've finally decided to ring the register for a terrific profit for the charitable trust. It was just too difficult to own a bunch of these industrials. We're walking around with, oh, man, we never seem to really get a handle on them right now. How could we have a handle on a business when the people running the companies may not have it themselves? And then there's Peloton, the stock that everyone has given up on except the users. We need the air cleared. We need to know what they said, why they didn't raise any money. And then I said they didn't need to raise money, and then they raised money, which is why the stock collapsed. And now, on top of all that, the Wall Street Journal is reporting after the bell that Amazon has approached the company about a potential deal. I doubt they made that story up. Will they face the music and bike?
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.